Hello students, in this part we'll discuss about the string slices. First let me discuss what is slices. Slices means a part of a string. Okay, slices means we are discussing a part. So slices in string means in a string, so not even only one characters, we can just take one group of characters either from left side or right side or from the middle of the string also. Okay, so for slices few just will take only the index number. So main important role of the slices is the index number. So how to write the index number? So before slicing, first you should know the index number of a string. So what are the index number? Just I am telling you first. The first index number, if you are writing a string here, look at it. First we are writing a string here. Suppose Arnold I am writing. So in this case, if we'll continue from the left side to right side, the first one will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Because number of characters are 7, but we'll start from 0 to 6. But when we'll take the index number from right to left side, so it will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and -7. Okay, so in this way just we can take it. So this is the way of taking this one. So now we'll discuss it. So after getting the index number, how to slice, how to get a part of a string. So I have given some examples. Just let us discuss one by one example. First I have given here S0:2. 0 means that is the first character. 2 means that is called the third character. See, 0, 1, 2. So this is the first character, this is the second character, and this is called the third character. So if I have written 2 means it will take the characters till 1. Always the last range -1. Remember this thing. Always the last range -1. The last range is 2 is given, means it will continue 0 and 1, not 0, 1 and 2. So output will be A and R. Similar way, if I am writing 2:5, the output will be second onwards till 4th. Or see, second onwards till 4th means 2, 3, 4, or one best another means idea I am giving, trick I am giving. So simply you deduct it. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 means what? 3. So 3 characters from second onwards. So second means what? Here 2. So 3. NOL. Or this one you can take in this way, or in the another method is that 2 to 5 minus 1 means 4. Means 2 means that is NOL. Okay, means less than 5. Means still 4. So output will be NOL. Next is -7 to -4. So -7 to -4 means it is called -7. -4 means this one. So it should be less than -4. That means -7, -6, -5. That means ARN. ARN. In the similar way that I am written 3 colon. 3 only colon. 3 colon means from third positions to last. No value are given here. That means till last. 3 to last. 3 to last means OLDS. OLDS. So in the similar way, first I have given colon till 4th, means from the beginning till 4th. This means 4 means we'll take it till 3rd. That means third means this is 4 is given, just means 3 is here given. So ARNO. ARNO. So remember, if colon we are giving, that is from the beginning. If from the beginning we are writing the colon, so we write the starting from the first position to the given positions. If 3 I am writing, after that colon I am writing, so from the given positions to last position at the end of the string. Okay, in the similar way, few more examples I am giving you here. Now you see, I have written here S0:7:2. It means it will continue 0 to 7, but difference of the characters should be 2. 2 to leaving the index it will print. Just means first will be 0, that means A, then it will be N. Now you see here, first one is A, leaving 2 difference. First A, then will be N, then will be A. But it is given 7. 7 means still last it will be there. But our last position is 6, but I have written 7. 7 means it will continue till 6. So the output will be ANLS. ANLS. In the similar way, if I am writing s minus 7 colon minus 1 colon 3, that means 3 different index number. Minus 7 means here, minus 1 means last one. So minus 1 I have written, that means it will take till minus 2. So let us see the 3 difference. 3 difference will be A, then is O, then nothing will come. So that means A and O will be the output. In the these two are the special one. That one it will help you in the program also when you are reversing the numbers. So now you see S double colon minus 1 means just to reverse the string. Double colon minus 1 means reverse the string. So that means SDLONRS, NRA. In the similar way, if I am writing here minus 2 means it will be reversed but leaving 1 index. That means SLNA. Okay, so in this way we can slice, we can take a part of a string from the entire string and we can use in our programs. I hope students you understood the slice of the string. So next we will discuss about some string functions.
So let us execute a program how to use the slices in a string. So this is one output. So first row 1 has, then 2 has, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let us do a program by using the for loop statements. This is an output type of questions. Okay, so in this case, first we'll write for I equal to, the range is 1 to 6 because 5 rows are there. That's why we're writing 1 to 6. That means it will continue 1 to 5. Then second one, that is for j, 1 to 5 will take. Second, the j value is till it is I is there. That means if I is 1, then it will continue 1 only. So it depends upon j, depends upon I. So first we'll print hash. So once only it will print, and and sign is there. That means end and one space is there. That means in the same line hash will be printed, leaving one gap. So when we are writing this blank print command, so it will come to the next line. So again I value will be 2. So it will come 1 to 2 means it depends upon I. J depends upon I means 2 times. So hash will be printed 2 times. Then after completing the inner loop, then print statement is there. That means it will come to the next line. Again the I will be changed to 3. Then that means 3 hash will execute. In that way 4, 5, 6, 4, 5 will be executed. Let us execute it by pressing F5. So we'll press F5 to execute. First it will ask to save. Now you see the output is there. So this is the fast output. In the similar way, I am showing you another one more questions I am showing you. That is also a output type of questions. Here one sentence, one word I have written Arnold's. It will be RNOLDS, then NOLDS, then OLDS, LDS, then DS and S, like that. Okay. So LDS, DS and S. So in this way I want to print it. So let us see how to do this one. In this case also, first we'll remove this one and we'll just write the new programs. Already I have written, just I am pasting here. And after that, suppose I have stored here first S equal to Arnold's. You can also input it by taking the input statements. Then we'll find its length. So length will be 7. That means L equal to 7. I equal to 0, the initial value I have stored. And for j in range, that is I comma L. Okay, what is the I value? I value is 0 and that is L value is 7. And print S j. What is the j value? So j value is I2. That means from 0 to L. So first value will be 0 and L value is 7. That is fixed because last part will be 7. When it will take 7, it will take till 6 characters, means last value. So I equal to I plus 1. That means the value should be increased 1 by 1. Okay, because I value should be increased because first A is given, then after that R is coming, then N is coming. So the value will be increased, the index number will be, it should be increased. That's why it is I equal to I plus 1 is given. So that next character should continue. Okay. So in this way we can just do it, and let us execute it. Let us see what is the output is coming. We'll press F5 and it will ask you to save. Some errors are coming. Errors means that indentation problem is there, so this print statement should be written after leaving the space, because for loop is there na. So that's why press enter key and give the proper indentations, and also I equal to I plus 1, that should be inside for loop. Now we'll execute. So now you see the output came Arnold's, and accordingly output which one I had already shown, it is coming. I hope students you understood these things.
So students, next we'll discuss the part that is string functions and method. So we are having inbuilt functions or methods in string, okay, used in we are using the in Python. So many inbuilt functions are there. So according to your syllabus, few functions we'll discuss now. So just thoroughly you just try to understand what are the different functions are there and how we are using this one. And first I will explain. I have written on the board, so I will explain one by one. Then after that I'll do the practicals. In practically I'll tell you how to use these functions in Python programming. Okay. Then after that I'll show you a programs also, one by using one or two inbuilt functions. Then how to do this one. Okay. Let us see. So students, now the next topic we'll discuss, that is called string functions or methods. So different string functions are there, different string methods are there. So how to use and what are the different inbuilt functions are there. So let us discuss one by one. Inbuilt functions used in string programming. Okay. So these are very important and very useful also. So try to understand. First I will explain. I have written on the board. So first I will explain the functions of the string inbuilt functions. Then after that I will show you by using the practicals. Okay. So one by one commands I will execute and I will show you. Then afterwards also I'll show you a programs. I will execute a program by the help of few string inbuilt functions, and then after that it will be easy for you to understand the different types of string functions. So students, the first string functions we'll discuss inbuilt function is, first one is the capitalize. Capitalize is a functions we are using for just means to convert the first character of a sentence in capital letter. If that example I'll tell you afterwards. Suppose I have written I love my India all in that means lowercase. I is the first character, so I will be in capital letter. Next one is the find. Find helps to means search a particular word in a sentence. Means it will show you the particular index number of that word, and if the index number, if the word not found, so the output will be -1. Okay, and if it is found, then it will show you its exactly current index number. Next one is isalnum. That means whether it is alphanumeric or not. If it is an alphanumeric value, it consists of alphabets as well as the numbers also, then it will show you true value. The output will come, it is boolean expressions, that is true, boolean constant, that is true or false. Isalnum, whether it is alphanumeric or not. So alphanumeric means consists of alphabets as well as numeric also. If only numbers are there, also it will show you the true value. If only alphabets are there or mixed are there, it will show you the true value. Next one is isalpha. Isalpha means whether it is only the alphabets or not. If it is in numeric value, so that means the output will be false. Next is isdigit. If it is only digit, then it will be true. If it is alphabets, then it will be false. Remember, that's why three separate are there. First one is mixed alphanumeric, second one is to check only the alphabets, and third one is the check to only the digits. Next is lowercase. Whatever the that means word you are using, whether it is lowercase or not. If it is lowercase, then it will be true, otherwise it will be false. Similar way, whether that upper also is there, is upper. If it is uppercase or not. If it is upper, then it will be true. If it is not upper, that means it will be false. If mixed characters are also there, it will be false. Next, isspace. Isspace means whether a particular character we are inputting, we are entering is a space or not. If it is a space, then it will be true, otherwise it will be false. Then lower. Lower and upper. Lower and upper means just to convert a particular word okay, or a text to its lowercase if it is capital. If it is already in lower, so it will be in lower also, and if it is capital, so to convert to lower, so we'll write lower functions, and if it is lower, convert to capital, we'll write the uppercase. So lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase also we can convert. So these are the some string inbuilt function, students. So now this part also already we have covered. Okay, so we have almost covered the all things in string programming, in string manipulations. So now I'll tell you one by one these functions I'll show you in practicals, and how to execute, and I'll show you one by one executions, and by taking one example. So look at here and see the examples and thoroughly try to understand it, and after that I'll show you one programs by the help of some inbuilt functions used in Python. Okay,
Let us execute the commands one by one. First we'll store few words in different variables, means few text or strings in different variables. S1 equal to Arnold's, S2 equal to school, SCH capital, then S3 equal to one, two, three, four, 5, but it is within double quotes, means it is a type of string. S4 equal to, means within single quote, one blank space. Why I am taking this one? By the help of these variables, then we can execute the commands. So let's start. Whatever the built-in functions are there, whatever I explained before, that one will execute one by one. So the first command, S1 dot capitalize. As I told, it is first character should be capital letter, but first we'll store it. One sentence or one text will store here. Suppose I have written S5 equal to I love my India, or I love my country. So when we'll write S5 dot capitalize, so output should be there. You see what will the output is coming? I'm showing you I is capital letter and rest of the thing will be small. And remember students, I'm showing you that is for your benefit, because so that it will be very easy for you to understand. So next command will start. Take the help of the variables. We'll take one variables. We can take that S1 also. Suppose we are writing S5 dot find. So S5 dot find means within find what we want to find. Suppose I want to find within a statement, within S5. So where my is present? S5 was I love my country. My's position is on 7th. Index number is 7th. It is present in 7th position. One more I am showing you. Suppose if the word is not found in the sentence, suppose I have written my, comma, and I have mentioned the particular index number, means it will search the word my from the index number mentioned here, means from 8th, in between 8 through 12, in between the index number, it will find my in a sentence S5. It is not found, that's why it is -1 is coming. Okay, because this my word is after 7, so it is not present in between 8 and 12. Okay, suppose S5 dot find y, comma, write the statements, it is 9th, in between 9 and the last index number I am just writing here. From 9 till suppose last is 18 I have given. So in between that is y is present. Yes, it is present. In which index number? It is 16th position. The index number is 16th. So remember, in this way we can use find functions or methods, inbuilt functions. Then the next functions we'll try, that is st.isalnum, means alphanumeric, whether it will check whether it is alphanumeric or not. So first you write s1.isalnum, so it is true because first one is s1 is alphanumeric, alphabets are there. So if you write s2 dot, or we are writing s3 dot isalnum, but s3 is number, so it will also come true because alphanumeric means alphabets as well as numeric. If alphabet will be there, that also true. If numeric value will be there, then also it will be true. Then another command is there, alpha. s3 dot is alpha, false, because s3 is 1 2 3 4 means it is numbers, it is not alphabets. That's why the output is coming false. Remember, all the answers are coming in the Boolean constant, that is true or false. Similar way we'll write s1 dot is alpha. Okay, one spelling mistake is there. Let us do the next one. Is s1 dot is alpha, that is true, is coming. Then is digit, we'll check for the is digit because s3 is the digit one, so when we'll check, the output is coming true. In the similar way, if we'll check s1 dot is digit, but s1 is alphabets are there, so that's why it is coming false. Okay, did you understand, students? So we'll do the next commands side by side. Already I have written s1, s2, s3, s4, all the values I have written, so it will be easy for you. So we'll do the next command. So the next inbuilt functions we'll try. We'll take the s1 variables. s1 dot is lowercase. Is it lowercase or uppercase? Yes, it is lowercase, that's why it is coming true. In the similar way, s2 dot is lowercase. Let us see what the output is coming. It is also coming false because it is not the lowercase. It is capital letters are there, or mixed characters are mixed type of cases are there. Next, s5 dot is space, it is false, but because s5 is not a space. But if we'll write s4, in s4 we have stored the space. If we'll write s4 dot is space, then the output is coming true. Okay. Next, another type. If we'll write is upper, that means false because a1 is small one. Like that, if we'll write s1 dot is lower, means it will check whether it is uppercase or not, or lowercase or not. If you write s2 dot is upper, so it is false because upper is there as well as lower is also there. Next, we can convert the uppercase or lowercase directly. So I am writing, suppose s2 dot lower, so that means s2 is capital is there and lower is there, so that means all the characters will be in lower, because if capital letters are there, then it will be also lower, and lower cases letter are there, then also it will convert to lower. In the similar way, upper also I have written Arnold's. It was earlier it was lower, but it will convert to upper. Okay, so I hope students you understood this one. In this way we can just execute. So now I'll show you one programs. So the program is print a string that capitalizes every other letters in the string. Okay, one example you see, suppose the passion, the word is there PASSION, the output should be P small, A capital, then S small, S capital, I small, O capital, then N. So the output should be like that. So let us write the programs, then I will explain you one by one. So this is the code for this program. So first I will enter a string input command, then find its length by using len command. Then in string we are printing the original value. String 2 I have taken a blank variable, and for loop I have used, that is from 0 means first position to length and having 2 to difference, and the first value will be stored in string 2, the third value, then fifth value will be stored in string 2. Again I have written one statements here. If the a value is less than length minus 1, then string 2 plus equal to string a plus 1 dot upper, means second value, whatever the second index number value will come, that will be in uppercase. Again it will store in string 2. Okay, first again the next when a value will be the third one, so third one will be stored in string 2, and after the statements of if, then the fourth value will be in uppercase and it will be stored in string 2. That means in the same variable first value will be stored and second value in uppercase will be stored. So one by one it will be stored, and in one place all the characters will be stored in the one place, that is the variable string 2. Okay, so let us execute it. Just press F5, it will ask you to save, then after that we'll execute it. So write the word, the same word we'll write here, passion, PASSION. When we'll press the enter key, now you see the output P small, A capital, S small, S capital, I small, O capital, N. I hope students you understood these questions, so do more practice by using the string chapters. Okay, so more inbuilt functions are there, so you try yourself. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.